Fat Malinois. So these guys all know we're going to the PARK, right? So they're all excited. They always jump around. Ready to go to the park? Okay. So this is going to be the McCullough Malinois Park visit today. So we'll see how it goes. Well, we just arrived at the park here. Got the puppy there. There's Epic. There's the other ones back here. Daddy is back here. So yeah, we're going to take them down here. There's a great big field down here. We're going to take them in the middle of it and let them expend all that energy. Okay. Next. Okay. I have a full video. All of them out here at the park, ready to rumble. Look at him go. Thanks, Daddy. Throw the frisbee for flash and the rest of them chase it. Go. Get the paper scooper. Okay, Flash, you ready to take your family to the creek? Nope, let's go to the creek. Go to the creek. Here we go. Go to the creek. Go to the creek. Come on, let's go. Puppy blast here. Close to the water. The trigger's gonna do it. No. Nope, there goes Tauras. What's up, buddy? That's it. Good boy. All right. Good boy. Here. That's Epic here. Enjoying the great outdoors. Pass them up so they can let me know. Leave them in trouble. Grab it. go get them down. Tauras more independent than I am. And so now it's time to take these soggy doggies, the soggy doggy Malinois, put them in the crate, take them back home, get them something to eat. Get this little one here. You always make that. Get your seatbelt on. On the way here, they were all whining and everything. Now they're like all calm and cool back there in their crate, just like chilling. What do you think, Rosie? Is that fun? She had a lot of fun.